Itiko ria rero hetimu kurwa siabisi mugimenero bepu county ya Kisii omuskedori sidonya bure nigo yanyara kiwikirana se skuru ya secondary ya Gesero imeye unge ya bunchari county ya Kisii bunenchiremo yokurugusira gwechi se skuru yo osiroko nigo gwachire magiga ya skuru yo obwato mulero samatuko hamakarire igaba bwatani okurwa se kitayichi se mukurwa se county ya Kisii wamwakira mbuya mono omuskedonya hasukuru bokonyogo
Marieta Ankoruk Felix Mairura ngokora obisi omweshimiwa Donya ne manager Donya no Women Rep Kisii lero twali ngese semo ya bonchari ase skulu ya St Charles Gesero ya Nyamira gekoi asumu basokanova abana edom chikayi chionsi chikarama manse ebintu byonsi bibi abana bikayi marangeti chianga ebitabu chisanduki personal things byonsi bibi kaya mweshimiwa esengencha bwate nkolenda buse nande no mongina umanyite nki abana batakeire nabune obisi na utotoma lero tuwachakira St Charles Gesero eyuere ward ya Ariana otoa chimatres tuanyara to donate ese skuru eri chimatres merongevere otoa na marangeti 20 otoa ne bitabu chiboxi 10 kirachi konyara okonya asa abana bali ebitabu byao byayete bakoira ne skuru bachakire gosoma.
Team Donya made their own plan. We made our own plan, just a coincidence that we have met here. And that is good. Of course, all of us are full of goodwill. So I want to say we want to appreciate the support the area, the county, Member of Parliament, Madam Donya, has supported the school.
On behalf of our school and our education fraternity, I'd like to thank the Women Rep, Honorable Donya Toristoto, for giving us this support. As the chairman has already said, this will go a long way to help these students who lost their belongings. We are also asking other stakeholders to come in handy to assist same way our women representatives has done. So on behalf of myself and the entire Kisii South sub-county, we thank our Honorable for doing this. Even to our schools, we know this is a time for revision. I can see the books that she has donated will go a long way in improving the standards of academics in our schools.